We'll guide you through how to use Voicemod. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
Voicemod is a powerful tool that lets you change your voice in real time and use sound effects, which can be useful for gaming, streaming, or just having fun with friends. So let's get started. First, to download Voicemod, just go to any browser to your liking, and in the search bar, just search for Voicemod and just click on the first link. And if you are using it for the first time, it may ask you to sign in with your account. So just sign in with your account and just click on download for free and download the app from here. And for the sake of the video, I have already downloaded the app. So after installation, just open the app and you will be taken to this interface. Before using any effects, go to the settings tab and navigate to audio. Here under input, click on the drop down and make sure your correct input device is selected. And you can even choose your output device, but it does not really matter much as your input device. After setting it up, just go to your Windows search bar and search for sound mixer option and just open the sound mixer option. And after opening, you will see different options, but the main focus here is your input device. In input device, just click on the drop down and make sure Voicemod is selected as your input device. If you want to use Voicemod in another apps such as Discord, I will show you a way. Just open your Discord, and after opening the Discord, just go to user settings, which is located on the bottom left corner. From here, on the settings on the left hand side, scroll down until you find an option under app settings labeled as voice and video. Just click on voice and video to open the options, and under voice in microphone, make sure Voicemod is selected as your microphone, or sometime it is even hidden at show more. Just click on show more and make sure Voicemod is selected, and you can even have a mic test here. And after that, just join any call with your friend and go to Voicemod again and go to voices and choose any voice to your liking, and the voice effect will be applied, and other friends from the other side of the call will be able to hear your new voice. Now, let's get over with some basics of Voicemod app. In the voices section, you will see different kind of voice. Just choose any voice and your voice will be changed. You can even choose the narrator, which is a deep voice, and you can even click on this ear icon to hear yourself, and you can even turn voice changer on and off from the power button here. And you can control your voice volume from here. Just use the slider and your voice will be changed as per the volume. And as I'm not using any other effects, but I can use other effect. For example, if I use
that my voice will become like this. I can even increase or decrease the volume from here.
And from here, you will notice most of the voice effects are locked. To unlock it, you must just go to GoPro and choose any of the available offers. I will suggest buying one-time payment as it is cheaper compared to other offers when you compare it in the long run. And from here, in these options, you can choose any voice by category also. You can choose role play, meme, girl, or any options to your liking, and you will get the voices as per your requirement. The steps to using the voice is similar as I demonstrated earlier. And you can now go to sounds, and you will see many of the sounds that you can use for fun. For example, I got this explosion. Just click on it to preview. And you can even increase the volume, bass, mid or treble from the settings on your right hand side. And similarly, you have many categories from here. If you go to all of the available sounds will be available here. If you go to memes, the sound related to memes will be available here, and like so there are many options that you can choose as per your liking. And you can now go to soundboards, and from here you can add any sounds to your liking. As you can see, these are the available sounds. To add some new sound, just click on add, and you can use the search bar to search any of the sound that you like to add. And after searching, just click on it to preview it and click on this plus icon to add it to your soundboard. And you can even upload your own sound from here. And in the voice lab section, you must join the Voicemod Pro to access it. You can even go to extension and add any extension to your liking. And that's it. In this video, we showed you how to set up Voicemod, choose voice effects, and use the soundboard for real-time voice changes. You can now check out our next tutorial video.